Hi, boys and girls. We're going to talk about transportation words today. So, we've learned about gas pump, license, and now we're going to talk about this right here. She is wearing a seat belt, and it's important that you're wearing a seatbelt when you're in the car, too. In fact, you're probably in a booster chair, too, and you have a very special seatbelt. When you wear a seatbelt, they want you to have it over your shoulder, across your body. So you have to make sure your shoulders safe also, right? Just like this one. Okay, so we want to keep you safe. All right, my friends, we're going to write seat belt today. So you're going to help me. I need you to put on your super thinkers and make sure you're helping me today. We're going to say seat belt. S-E, and this is an E-A. It's going to be 2 letters, so we're going to take up 2 spots. E-A, seat, seat, T. Oh, there's a space. Are you thinking about how many words there are? Let's count them. 1, 2, 2 words. Our next word is belt. Belt. That's a B. Like our Bubba Bear faces that way. That's an E. Bell. O-L. Belt. T. Okay, my friends, I need some help. Can you help me spell it? S-E-A-T B-E-L-T. Let's spell it one more time. S-E-A-T B-E-L-T. Let's say seatbelt. Let's say seatbelt. All right, so in here we need to put how many letters there are. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are, make an S and don't be late. Close the gate and make it 8. All right, boys and girls. So I will see you next time for our last picture.